tomatoes are really starting to come on. Look, I don't know if you can see it on camera or not. I even got some starting to turn. So none of my pepper plants are doing very well at all. We had issues in the beginning. This is literally the only, look how tiny that is. Oh, it fell off. I don't even get that one though. Great. Got this electric fence, but we got this area over here that's still pretty high. Keep putting the shovel here. Something keeps moving it. Oh, lost a tree.
The tree just fell. Over in the woods.
And a little one over here. Same one. Yeah, yes. Had a storm here earlier, so I blew kind of some of our tomato plants. This one was laying down. He picked it up. So there's a fried green tomato for us. You want to go in and get it? You like fried green tomatoes?
No. Not a big fan, but
can't waste it.
I'll try it.
Tell you what, that Roma plant.
Yeah, it's loaded.
Yeah. Once she starts turning, it's like, I mean, look at that. It's crazy.
The green peppers aren't doing so good.
No, they're done for.
They got blooms on them still.
They've bloomed. Blooming hasn't been a problem. It's just they never come to fruit. I mean, we had that one come to fruit, but it literally broke off in my hand. Just
there's little bitty ones on here.
I know. That's what I said. They.
Yeah, and look, it just fell off.
Yeah. So. Uh-oh. Tomato plant fell.
Really?
Yep. See. Tomatoes took head again. Last night, before the storm, he got that one staked up because that one just had the problem folding over. But thanks to the storm, this one's about ready to go over. And that little Roma, that's not a little Roma, that Roma, a pretty good sized one, has completely toppled over. I don't know, I think these tomato cages, I thought they were going to be good. The one in the Roma is actually an old school tomato cage like this where it's got the big hoop at the top and then it gets smaller. But even this one has the smaller hoop and then they get bigger, smaller hoop, and then it gets bigger as it goes down. I thought those were going to be better, but I don't know, for some reason not all of them are working that great. So I don't know if maybe we just need to change things up or what, but this is what we got now, so Kenny's gonna fix these two again. So what are those?
2x2s. I just cut a 45 or a 50-degree angle on them, just so they'll drive in the ground easier.
And just gotta make sure you don't get too close to the root system. And how are you gonna attach it?
Just a zip tie. Pull it over to it. Run a zip tie around it.
Ta-da, beautiful.
Shouldn't go nowhere.
Turn the fence back on before you come over. Hi.
I'll keep my eye on you. Fire it back up. Yeah, I don't know what's up with them green peppers and jalapenos. But none of them wanted to cooperate this year.
It looks like the Romas scared me.
Did you just get shocked?
So we went on our evening walk and we got some pretty good news. Well, back it up a little bit. Our peach trees, we had issues with our peach trees. First we had Japanese beetles, sprayed and got rid of those.
Yeah.
That was a pretty easy fix. And then we had a deer come up in the backyard and had to run him off. And then we're assuming it was the birds. We don't really know for sure. I know we went on vacation, we came back, and every peach we had was completely gone. So
Right.
We're assuming that the birds just attacked us.
And birds, squirrels, we're not really sure. We don't know what happened to them. We weren't here.
But we go on our walk and we look up and look what we see.
But I don't have to end up with an extension ladder trying to get peaches every year. Good.
I'm good with you getting an extension ladder every year.
We'll just trim the tree. It'd be easier.
Oh, it's easier for me to just let you do it.
I think the weird part about it is the tree didn't rebloom. But we probably got, I'm going to say there's 50 peaches on there. And the other ones were starting to turn, you know, the red color or peach color. And all of a sudden they were just disappeared. But these ones here started coming on. And when they started coming on,
yeah, there was no bloom before them or anything. They just, we come out here and we got peaches.
Yeah, and that's, I don't know how to say that.
And not only do we have peaches, but we have bigger peaches.
Yeah, they're actually bigger peaches than what was on there before, and they're still green right now. So I think we're going to end up with an abundance of peaches.
Yeah. But look at them. I don't know if I can pick them up on camera or not. But the top of our tree is loading back up. Peaches. Are you gonna walk or?
I'm trying to, but I got to get you in the frame. I take off walking and you're way back there.
Well, yeah, because you keep stopping right in front of me, so I can't walk.
I'm trying to get you in the picture.
I don't have to be in the picture. You're not even in the picture, so what's it matter? So, I remember when we was little, we used to have peach trees, and Mom would hang tin pie things up in it. She said it's to keep the birds out. I don't know if it actually worked, but after losing all the other peaches, I think it's worth a shot. I think we ought to try it.
Oh, okay. Pie pans in the trees.
Something. I would like to get peaches this year.